Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your kit numbers on the FIFA Ultimate Team 23. Okay, so when you select your squad, you have to tap on the left 2 button on your controller, and then you can find kit numbers in this place. Right now I would like to change number for maybe this guy, so click X, and then with your left stick you can simply go for the left or the right and choose number that you want to place. So I would like to switch to 99, click X to confirm, and as you can see the number has changed, and you can make it for any player. Of course, when you change it and you got the red shirt, it means that this number is taken, and if you are going to confirm with this number, so currently the Munyain is on the 4, and when I'm gonna switch to, for example, number 3, it will be replaced from the Cuadrado, and Cuadrado will have 4. Take a look. As you can see, it's like overdrive. And yeah, that's how you can make it in the FIFA 23 Ultimate Team. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.